In this lesson, we're gonna dive into something I think is pretty dang cool with this tool. We're gonna create our own custom schedule tailored to who we are and the goals that we have in our weekly schedule. So let's hop into our first prompt. I'm gonna write, I'm a college student that wants to study, go to the gym, hang out with friends, and work part-time. Please organize my schedule with specific times to do all my tasks. And just like that, we have our Monday through Friday schedule. And let's just run through what ChatGPT did on this first draft. So 7 a.m., wake up, have breakfast, get ready for the day. 8 o'clock, attend class. 12, have lunch. 1 o'clock, study for 2 hours. 3 p.m., go to the gym for an hour. 4:30, so it even budgeted time. If we go to the gym for an hour, that would be 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. It budgeted a little bit of extra time for us to take a shower and get ready for work. Then it has us starting work at 5 o'clock, finishing work and having dinner at 9, spending some time with friends at 10 o'clock for 2 hours, and going to bed at 12. So I can leave this as is or individually ask ChatGPT to change that I don't want to go to bed at midnight on Monday. Please adjust the calendar accordingly, and it will go in and it'll update that schedule. Now what I want to do is take this a step further with being more specific. I want to work from home on Monday and Tuesday, then work from the office on Wednesday and Thursday. Please update that in the schedule and add 20 minutes of commuting time as its own step to get to my office, then work, and a 20-minute step to leave my office on Thursday and Wednesday. Perfect, so it updated my schedule and it even left on days that I'm working from home to not have any commuting time. But the days that I am gonna go into the office, it added a 20-minute commute to the office, working there, and having time to then commute home. So you can completely customize this. I can also add, let's say, 30 minutes a day for meditating in the morning or the afternoon, or even saying that on every Monday, I want to set aside time to create new social media content for projects. So this is a really cool tool to schedule and structure your weeks with ChatGPT.